Hello and welcome to File System QTP derivation.blogspot.in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the file system objects in QTP. So, file system object is generally used to access the computer's file system. For example, if you want to create or delete some files and folders in the system, you can use the file system object. So, some important methods of the file system object are given here. That is, copy file to copy the file from one location to the another location, and then copy folder, a similar method to copy the folders. You can also specify whether to override the existing files or folders in this method's syntax. And then you can also use the create folder, create text file methods to create the text files or folders with the features to specify options to override and format of the files. You can use the delete file and delete folder methods to delete files and folders. So you have to first check the file or folder exists using this methods. You can check drive exists, file exists, and folder exists. So these methods will tell you whether that particular file or folder exists in the system. Then you can get access to the file and drive objects or folder object using this method: get drive, get file, and get folder. You can also move the files and folders using move file and move folder methods. You can open text files using open text file method, and you can open it in read, write, or append mode. So these are important methods in file system objects. There are other methods that are used to work with the file name extensions and absolute paths, etc. So you can use the get drive name to find the drive in which that particular file or folder exists. Then get file name is used to get the last component of the given path. So for example, if the file is located at c:abc.txt, then this method will give you the abc.txt excluding c: so it will just give you the last component of that path. Get extension name will give you the extension of that file, for example .txt or .mp3. Then get absolute path name method will give you a complete path for the given path. Then get base name method will get the name of the file, last component excluding extension. So if the file is say c:abc.txt, it will just give you the abc. It will not include that abc.txt. So get a parent folder name will get the name of the parent folder. So these are important property say methods of the file system object, and the only one property supported by file system object, that is drives. So you can get the access to all the drives in the system using drives property of the file system object. So it is a simple example on the file system object. Here you can create the file system object using this statement, that is scripting.filesystemObject. Once the file system object is created, that is FSO, you can access all the methods that I just mentioned. So here are sample statements and the output of that execution. So fso.get drive name c::sagar bl bintachar.txt will output just c, because that is the drive in which that path exists. Similarly, get absolute path name will give you the actual complete path of that given file. Then get extension name will just print the txt, because that is the extension of that file. Then get base name will just give you the metachar, that will not include the .txt. And get file name will just give the get base name, it will just give you the bl, that is last component of that path. So this is how you can use the file system object to work with the files in QTP. If you like this video, you can just thumbs up. Thank you.